The song.
Welcome to Camp Balconia's first Halloween jam. Just getting warmed up for the crew to show up. I'm waiting on the crew to show, like they always do. Waiting on the crew to come by, get down with me, yeah. Waiting on the crew, waiting on the crew. I'm waiting for the jam to slowly unroll from my soul, from my soul. We'll turn the bass down low, keys up high, do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and I don't ask why, no I don't, no I don't ask why. I don't ask why, I just go with the flow. I just go with the flow, in and out and all around. One note at a time, one step at a time, little by little, go with the flow downtown. That's a little easy time, like. Anyway, we're just warming up the system. How about them Roadrunners? How they do? Something like that. I just wanna go 8-0. Wait, there they are. Gonna work on a cruise ship when I retire, with the old folks playing shuffleboard, open time. I hope I don't get seasick. No, you hear a little fly in the background? He's a little barker, ain't he? Must be a little